ये एक बहुत ही अनकट किस्म का वीडियो होगा. दिस इज़ अ वेरी कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशन, अ हार्ट टू हार्ट conversation which I want to have with you. Now, you are somebody who's preparing for CAT, or you could also be actually be somebody who's already in your B school and you've been watching me for the last 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't know. I might have helped you in some way or the other. I want to help you more because what I'm going to speak about are very unfiltered thoughts on why what you're doing right now, which is either preparing for CAT or your GDPI, or if you're in your MBA program, in your summer internship, preparing for summers or finals, whenever you watch this, why this is the most important thing and anything else in your life can take a backseat, even including family. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें हैं कुछ which I will be speaking to you about, because when I will tell you the magnitude of this and I'll share with you 3 points. Basically कोई बहुत ज़्यादा I'll not do a loose talk about this कि अब जब कि you know that I've just not like started and I'm like speaking and speaking and speaking. No, 3 points हैं. But you need to realize that whatever this goal you have set for yourself, ना ये I want to clear CAT or ZAT, or I want to get into that dream B school or that job. This is such a big goal. It is such a noble goal. It's a noble cause. And I'll tell you that the magnitude of the impact it will have in your life is so big, which is also my point number one, that you will realize this hopefully by the end of this video, that that is all you need to do. Anything else can wait for 6 months, for a year. 3 points बोलूंगा. First point ये है कि you need to realize this thing that we talk about CAT, ZAT, MBA, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, IIM Udaipur, XLRI, ISB. We talk about these names. But I want you to pause and थोड़ा break लो और सोचो कि ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है. This is a very big feeling. There's a deeper meaning behind these things. Because all of these are actually life-changing things. If you crack your CAT and get a great percentile, it changes lives. It puts you to one of these top institutes out there, and see, the fun is that it does not even end at that कि मैं B school में आ गया and हो गया काम. नहीं. That is just the start of something so great that you would not have even imagined for yourself. And I will take some समय आराम से, मतलब मैं समझाऊंगा ये, because I want you to really soak this into you, because this is something which is very close to my heart. Now, once you get into these institutes, my dear friends, your life changes. सिर्फ आपकी ही नहीं, आपकी फैमिली की, आपके आस पड़ोस के सबके लोगों की जिंदगियां चेंज हो जाती हैं because of you. And it's you and your family whose life changes the most. Obviously, you get into a good B school, you score a good percentile in CAT, your value among your friends or family, it slightly increases. Ki, Arey, why he has been studying very well, very good. You get into a good B school, your brand value improves. वो तो होता ही है, ठीक है, obviously. The kind of opportunities you get from that B school are very different from what you would have found anywhere else. It's a very accelerated experience to launch you into the higher echelons of your career. That's that. But beyond those 2 years, my dear friends, for the next 5, 10, 20 years, it changes everything. It changes the kind of people you are friends with henceforth. It changes the kind of human being you would end up marrying. It changes it completely. तुम्हारा dating pool change हो जाता है. It changes the kind of people you work with. It changes the kind of organizations you work with. It changes the kind of cities and even countries and continents you work in. It changes everything. Pre MBA, you would have thought that, you know what, I am probably somebody who would work in a nice MNC in Gurgaon somewhere if you're from NCR. And suddenly something happens. Your MBA becomes such a nice experience for you that for all you know, you'd be working in Dubai somewhere else, or might be working in somewhere else. You'd be working in a Singapore or in the US. It changes, and you would have never expected that to happen with you. My dear friends, that can happen to you only once you have an accelerated experience. MBA is that experience. You have no idea what doors it opens for you. You have no idea what kind of opportunities it will bring to you. मैं ये भी नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि सबके साथ ये होगा. उसमें आपकी भी क्वालिटी है, इनफैक्ट आपकी ही क्वालिटी है, दैट हाउ मच इज योर थर्मोस्टैट हीटेड अप टू, आपका फाइनेंशियल थर्मोस्टैट कितना गर्म है, उतना ही आप ये सब चीजें अब्जॉर्ब कर पाओगे. सी अगेन देयर इज अ थ्योरी, इफ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर रेड you will only find red everywhere when you go out on the street. It's the same thing. If you're hungry for success, if you have a goal that, you know what, I have to earn a lot of money, I have to become successful in those standards ki, you know, great job, great friends, great company, great salary, अगर आप इस पे एक बार माइंड फिक्स कर लोगे ना, ये पाके रहोगे. Because then your mind will be searching that whichever organization you join after your MBA, you will work towards finding the next big great opportunity that will happen. हाँ, अगर आप अपने फोकस को ये 100 किस्म के और कामों में अगर डाइल्यूट कर दोगे कि, यू नो, फैमिली, फिर फ्रेंडशिप्स, फिर मतलब फ्रेंड्स और हर किस्म के फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, अरे यार, यू नो व्हाट यार, यू नो दैट यार शी इज नॉट टॉकिंग टू मी, यार ही इज नॉट टॉकिंग टू मी, माय गॉड व्हाट टू डू. इफ यू कीप yourself busy and stuck in that, तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. I've realized only one thing. This career aspiration na, is such an aspiration that you back that aspiration and you get everything else. यार जिसका करियर बन जाता है ना यार, हालत ये है उसके तो कुछ कुछ फ्लॉज भी समाज माफ कर देता है कि नहीं, बट यू नो ही हैज एक्चुअली अचीव्ड सो मच, हाँ इतना सब तो ठीक है. आई हैव सीन इवन दैट हैपन. Because you've achieved something, some things of your personal life, some flaws of your own life, even they get excused. यार फोड़ दिया यार, you know, such a fast paced growth, and obviously some things will happen like that. You know, obviously he'll not be able to spend a lot of समय with his friends and his like family, but nobody will give you these excuses if you're not doing well. It changes everything, my dear friends. That was the first point. इट इज़ अ लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. अच्छा हाँ, एक और चीज़, फैमिली की लाइफ कैसे हो जाती है चेंज. आई हैव सीन सिंगल इंडिविजुअल्स, आई मीन टू से आई हैव सीन इंडिविजुअल्स because of their hunger for their career went into great B schools, went into this thing and changed the life of their families. There are tens of examples which come across to me every year. मैं ये भी नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि कोई एक दो एग्जाम्पल है, 10 एग्जाम्पल. The amount of one-to-one phone interactions which I do, and if you want to speak to me one-to-one, if you want any advice, thoughts, कुछ कहीं पे you are stuck about CAT MBA, you can go down in the description, book a call with me using my top mate link. Anyways, the point which I was trying to make was that every year so many people talk to me. मुझे हर साल 10-15 स्टोरीज तो मिल ही जाती हैं जहाँ पे मैं ये आई एम सरप्राइज्ड कि वाह, what have you done? Remarkable, remarkable. Nobody would have expected this out of you. But look how tides have turned. For example, if you would watch KBC, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, उसमें कितनी स्टोरीज आती हैं that, you know, somebody was not able to see because she was blind and she went on to crack her IAS exam and now she's an IAS officer. उस किस्म की स्टोरीज, even in the world of MBA, you know, in the world of CAT and all of these things, such inspiring stories. यार ऐसे लोग अपनी families के fortunes भी change कर देते हैं, where their families would live, where their younger ones, their brothers and वो, where they are studying, they inspire an entire generation of families. And पता है उनके लिए एक ये saying है which is absolutely true, that there is one generation which will come and it will change the fortunes of the family. It applies. I've seen so many examples. If you want me to bring some of these to my YouTube channel so that they can speak and they can share their experience, let me know in the comments. Also, I would want you in the comments, make a note of these 3 things which I'm saying. First point I've said already. I wanted to hear me closely because अभी कुछ screen पे कुछ शिक शाक शुक कोई वो सब नहीं आने वाला है कुछ करके. It's only me who's trying to speak to you uncut, absolutely uncut, natural flow. Second point पे आता हूँ, that you realize the value of a moment only once it has gone by. आज शायद अभी तक बहुत लोग इस पॉइंट ऑफ द वीडियो तक आए भी नहीं होंगे. अगर आप इस पॉइंट तक सुन रहे हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी गुड, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू. गिव द वीडियो अ लाइक सो दैट आई नो कितने लोग यहां तक भी आए. अगर आप यहाँ तक पहुँच रहे हैं, अभी भी आपको ये लग रहा होगा हाँ बात इंस्पायरिंग है, अच्छी बात है, बट हाँ अभी पढ़ लेंगे कैट के लिए, अभी ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा आज नहीं, आज अलाउ मी टू enjoy something else and that. You know what? You will realize this only once cat has happened. November last week, once cat has happened, once you broadly know your scores, then when you look back, you realize, Arey, you know what? That's September third week na. I wish I was not doing that. यही कर लेता यार, लाइफ बदल जाती। कैट में अभी मैं कितना खुश होता कि मेरी भी परसेंटाइल शायद 99.37 हो रही होती, बट नहीं हो रही। शिट यार, 97, ये तो यार साल वेस्ट हो गया। यू ओनली रियलाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ अ मोमेंट वंस इट हैज पास्ट कि शिट वेट अ मिनट, 2023 में तो मैं ये यहाँ पे था, 2025 में भी मैं यहीं पे ही हूँ, द सेम जॉब। मैं तो सोचा था ये मैं इस कंपनी की जॉब छोड़ के आई वुड अपीयर फॉर कैट एंड आई वुड क्रैक कैट, तो हो ही नहीं रहा। और मेरे साथ जो उस जॉब में थे 4 लोग, वो तो उसी साल 23 में कैट क्रैक करके 25 में ग्रेजुएट भी होने वाले हैं। ओ माय गॉड, मैं तो बहुत पीछे रह गया हूँ। You will only realize this once you watch this in retrospect. The sad part is most people are living such fast paced, unnecessarily fast paced lives that they don't even have the time to look back and think that, okay, how was my year 2025, or how was my year 2026, or how are my last 3 years? Where was I and where have I been able to come? The moment you do this kind of an introspection, my dear friends, please allow me to use that word, you'll shit your pants. Because it could be a very scary experience if you've been average, or it could be a very beautiful experience if you've done well for yourself. Okay, wait a minute. 2022, I was doing this, and 2025, I'm here. Oh my god, 3 years. I could have done so much in those 3 years. ठीक है, 2022 में नहीं कर पाया because of that problem which had happened. 2023, I could have done. Oh, but you know what? 2023, I wasted, I mean, on dating apps, and I was doing this and I was doing that. यार attention ही नहीं था। तब सब कुछ, तब हम सब expert हो जाते हैं कि यार उस समय ये होना ज़रूरी था। What I would want you to do is take a break, take a pause, think 2 साल बाद आप आज के दिन के बारे में क्या सोचना चाहेंगे? What would you want to think about today, 2 years hence? Once you're able to find that, this will give you such a massive fire under your, where, that you'll just keep on working. You'll just keep on working. That's that. And for this, you might have to offend a few people. I realized this very late in my life. But for you to prioritize something which is your career, you have to offend a few people. I realized this much later in life. Much, much later. But that's fine. Absolutely fine. The moment you realize it, you have to run with it. You have to run with it, whatever it takes. Because then the thing is, ये जो भी तुम्हें ये लग रहा है ना, यार मैं अगर उस फ्रेंड के साथ हैंग आउट नहीं करा तो ही और शी विल फील ऑफेंडेड, अगर मैं फैमिली के साथ हैंग आउट नहीं करा। यार करियर एक ऐसी चीज़ है, मैं बताता हूँ इतनी कमाल की चीज़ है। करियर अगर बन जाता है और तुम एस्टैब्लिश हो जाते हो, तुम इफ़ यू आर अर्निंग एंड इफ़ यू आर गिफ्टिंग देम विथ थिंग्स एंड दे कैन सी दैट यस यार ही इज़ डूइंग सो वेल, सब भूल जाते हैं। सब ये कहते हैं हाँ अरे ये तो पूरे पूरे दिन ही यूज टू वर्क हार्ड, बहुत हार्ड वर्क करता था। वहीं पे नैरेटिव हो जाता है चेंज। शायद जिस समय व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड दे माइट बी अब्यूजिंग यू, अरे तुम तो सारे दिन ये करते रहते हो, क्या कर रहे हो, अरे प्लीज चल लो, यहाँ चल लो, एंड यू नो एवरीवन आई वुड से दैट। बट द मोमेंट वंस यू हैव मेड इट, stories changes. See, that is how we all are. Some of these students of mine who've become success stories like nobody's business, had they not become success stories, I would not have been speaking about them. I would have been saying that yes, yeah, good career, great career, not skyrocketing ones कि यहाँ थे और यहाँ से ऐसे गए हैं, ऐसे भी नहीं गए हैं. That's that. And the third point, my dear friends, तो ये 2 point हो गए मेरे. First point was what? याद है नहीं है लिखते जाओ यूट्यूब पे नीचे. आई वॉन्ट यू टू गिव मी इन द कॉमेंट्स दैट दिस वॉज वॉट आई अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम योर 3 points which you had said. The first point was what? Life changing experience. How? Not for you, for your family as well. कैसे था? What is your interpretation of that? The moment you write it ना, here you internalize it. Writing in comments is very important, especially in these kinds. Second point was you will realize the value of a moment only once it has passed. Third is, my dear friends, and I would want to leave you at this point, is that you have to feel pain. बेस्ट इज इफ यू कुड विजुअलाइज पेन, बिकॉज अगर आप विजुअलाइज कर लोगे तो प्रिकॉशन प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. पेन होगा ही नहीं, प्रिवेंट कर लोगे, वरना वो एक्चुअल में पेन यू विल हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस. मीन्स व्हाट? सेम थिंग है, सिमिलर टू द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट है, बट थोड़ा दूसरे एंगल से. जस्ट इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ पेन यू वुड बी गोइंग थ्रू इफ यू वेस्ट योर 2 years later in 2027 you're seeing back and you're saying, you know what, वो 2025 एक साल था जब मैं थोड़ा फ्री था और मैं कैट के लिए लिख सकता था, कैट के लिए मैं पढ़ रहा था, बट यार उतने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा यार. वही साल था, उसी साल निकल जाता ना यार, वही साल था मेरा. अब तो क्या, अब तो शादी होने वाली है, अब तो ये है, अब तो वो है, अब तो 100 और काम है. अब नहीं यार, अब निकल गया टाइम मेरा कैट का. वो एक साल था यार, वो 2025 में जब लिख रहा था ना मैं कैट, उस साल निकाल जाता ना तो मैं निकाल जाता. क्या फ़ायदा यार तब. यही पेन को विजुअलाइज कर लो. ये जो वीडियोस बनती है ना, दैट यार नाउ आई एम 40 years old एंड आई विश आई कुड गिव माई 20 year old मतलब दिस एडवाइस, वो यही है, वो यही वाली है वीडियो. कि ये जो मैं बता रहा हूँ ये आपको मैं एक्सपीरियंसेस के बाद बता रहा हूँ, आपको नहीं करना है ये. और एक और भी चीज़ है, आई नो आदमी सीखता तो खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से ही है, बट मेरा अटेम्प्ट ये है जितना मैं आपको समझा सकूं उतना ज़रूरी है. फॉर दिस ओनली, बाय द वे, आई मस्ट ऑल्सो से दिस हियर बिकॉज दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. I also have a pre-MBA program called How to Be School. Why do I have this? So that whatever happens in your MBA, I can give you a snippet of that already. Check the link in the description. Enroll for How to Be School pre-MBA program because that gives you visualization. आपको कौन सी स्पेशलाइजेशन सूट करती है वो उसके अंदर है. देयर इज अ कोर्स कॉल्ड MBA स्पेशलाइजेशन सेलेक्टर. All the first year concepts which are being taught in the MBA at the best B schools are explained in very shorter, nice ways. I have explained it. वो कर लोगे, you will be much ahead. Again, the third point was visualize your pain. आज अगर कुछ दो चार काम नहीं करे, आज अगर पढ़ाई नहीं करी, आज अगर इस प्री MBA में नहीं एनरोल करा, इसका पेन क्या हो सकता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग हियर फ्रॉम मी, विजुअलाइज इट फॉर योरसेल्फ यार. खुद खुद का लगाओ दिमाग. इफ यू थिंक यार आई कांट अफोर्ड दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पेन, टेक एन एक्शन, डू इट. Whatever goal you have set for yourself, I want you to do one very simple thing. Please do this. Please do this. Very rarely do I ask you to do something for me, but I want you to do something for me. Please share this video with one more cat aspirant or one more MBA friend of yours. That is it. कि यार ये एक वीडियो है, just see it. Yes, obviously. Only if you found it interesting, only if you've been seeing it up till now. Share it with somebody. It might change their life. Thank you.